never one for letting the rain beat me. When I lived in the UK, it used to get a lot colder and wetter than this. So let's just see what this autumn weather's like. I've got my waterproofs on, and I've got my swimming trunks on, and an old pair of training shoes. Lovely jubblies. Oh, it's alright so far. Hill. We'll be chucking it down now. I had thought of doing an hour, but even I'm not that very mad. Well, it's only, I feel quite comfortable, I feel warm, I feel wet. I should have put my long johns on to protect my knees from the cold. But I can never understand cyclists out here in the middle of winter. No, nothing protecting their knees. You don't want cold in your knees, that's for sure. Well, your joints. So, common sense and my sport therapy head is saying, homeward bound now. Live to fight another day, as they say. So yeah, all coming up to a nice puddle. I used to go to Piha, right? And you got the streams round the beach. Me and my mate used to train in them as well. I can't say right now. I've only got about 400 metres. And I'm home. Yay! Enjoy. Nice hot bath, hot shower, and a nice Earl Grey cup of tea. So end of the run. Oh, another big paddle. Oh, brown one. Should have got lost in that one. So that wasn't a bad run actually. I still feel warm. My feet are feeling a little bit cold because I keep running through these puddles. But hey ho, we're home. Enjoyed that. So I've got 3 layers on. I've got a full, it's actually my wife's. So I've got a windproof on underneath, full length top, under that a singlet as well. So I've got a couple of layers. I feel fine. As you can see, I don't feel too bad. And I can get on with the rest of the day. I might even open Gazza's bar up later. Happy Wednesday, folks. So the rain didn't beat me in the end. See you later.